Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hydro here. So as you know, I have 5 big tomato plants outside, and it takes a lot of, maintenance to not have be a jungle in my screen enclosure, because I am a little bit of a neat freak. So it takes some help, and I asked my kids to help me thin out the branches and pick the fruits. So I'm gonna go back there now and see how that's going. Hey guys.
Hi. Hello.
What happened? I thought you guys were gonna come back here and help me pick all these fruits on the plants.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
What happened, guys?
We were eating some tomatoes, but they're really good.
All right. Well, thanks for nothing. Well, it looks like you're gonna get to watch me do some more maintenance on my tomato plants. Obviously, the kids can't reach up that high. I can't even reach up that high. Yeah, it's time to break out the ladder, an apron, some gloves, the shears, and maybe dedicate about an hour to trimming this so that it doesn't continue to breed pests and things like that. You saw last week I showed you one of the ones that I hate the most. The people think it's a beautiful caterpillar or something like that that's going to become, a butterfly, which we do love. We love pollinators. But typically the ones that you find that are black are the army worms, the tomato worms, the thing that I call the bastard, and I put a quarter in the swear jar for that one. But this is what's gonna happen. So these kids are pretty much useless, so it's up to me. Well, thank you for watching as I do my second episode on what I do during the week to maintain my 10-foot tall hydroponic tomatoes. I went up there and I also sprayed some Dawn dish soap and water mixture to get rid of the white flies, because as you saw, I found another one of those terrible army worms that eat the tomatoes, and I hate them. So I spray this on there as best as I can to try to keep that white fly population under control. And then I pick all the ripe tomatoes so that there's nothing for those fat little worms to eat, and they all go into my stomach. So thank you for watching Dr. Hydro Show. Like and subscribe.